Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. Today I'm going to be making my favorite salad that I talk about all the time. Hopefully it will become somewhat famous if people share it and different things like that. But this is my favorite. Oh my goodness, my favorite salad. It's so delicious. It's so refreshing and it's beautiful, just eye-catchingly beautiful. It's just a beautiful salad and it's so good. So here I am starting with greens from my garden, and when I say greens I mean lettuce, and I have butter crunch lettuce growing in my garden, so there's a bed of lettuce, and I have a little bit of iceberg on the top just to mix it up. Also, I'm going to go ahead and get started with some cheese. I'm going to put a little bit of cheese on there. You can use a blend of cheese that you would like. Today I'm using sharp cheddar and Monterey Jack. You can also use feta cheese. Feta cheese adds a great layer, another layer of flavor to it. I don't have any on hand today, but that tastes great as well. Next, I'm going to add tomato. And I have tomato growing in my garden, tomato plants, but they have not budded yet. So I have a vine ripened tomato from the store. So I'm going to add it now. And now I'm going to add this beautiful, tasty Honeycrisp apple. And as you can see, it is a Honeycrisp. And oh my goodness, it's bright, it's sweet, and just adds delicious flavor to the salad. So I'm going to go ahead and put some of that on now. Now I'm going to add blueberries, red seedless grapes, and also some black grapes. These are not olives. These are the, well, I guess purple grapes, but people call them black grapes. I usually cut the grapes up in half or either quarter them, so you can do them any way you would like. I just like to get a lot in each bite of my salad, so I usually just cut them up. Like I said, sometimes in halves and sometimes in fours. Is that not gorgeous or what? Oh my goodness. And the fruit is sweet. So now I'm going to put some carrots on there, grated carrots. Now I'm going to slice up this red onion, and it's going to look so pretty on the salad and it's delicious as well. Okay, and now I add the strawberry. And next, some sweet, delicious seeded watermelon. Oh my goodness. Up until, I'd have to say 2 months ago maybe, or even less, I did not eat watermelon in there. I was like, watermelon in a salad? But you all, I have been hiding under a rock. Now I would not try in a million years to eat salad without this watermelon, unless of course it's just, you know, out of season and I can't find any. But you all, oh my goodness, please comment below who eats watermelon in their salad and how much you like it. Let me know if you do or if you don't eat watermelon. And you guys, if you don't, please try it. I'm gonna get it on this salad. My word, my word. Okay. Now I'm going to add some tortilla strips, the Santa Fe flavor. Y'all, these are so good. You have to try these. They're by the bacon bits and different things in the salad aisle. Yes, it is beautiful, but I'm not finished yet. I am going to now add some walnuts. These are delicious in that salad. It's not super crunchy or anything. It just adds another texture, and it's so good. Oh yeah, can y'all now imagine the flavors? Oh my goodness, I'm not finished. I'm going to add some bacon bits on here. That's all I can say. Now, you know I only put a little bit of cheese on before. I'm going to top it off with a little bit more sharp and a little bit more Monterey Jack cheese. And now, to top off the best tasting salad in the world, 2 dressings. Yes. This California honey French, and it is Kroger's brand, and it is delicious. Plus this Panera Fuji apple vinaigrette dressing. You all, if you have not tasted this, you do not know what you have been missing. Now you can use either or if you want to, of course, if you're a purist. But this Panera, oh my goodness, and you can get it from Kroger's. I get mine from Kroger's. I think they have it at Walmart too. But yes, put this on your salad, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on now, and then I'll come back and I will taste it for you on camera. I'll be back. And you can put as much or as little as you like on here. Now, I did not say that this was light on calories now. I do love my dressing. Okay, y'all excuse me for coming on here looking a hot mess. I'm not camera ready, but y'all look at this. I am hoping that I have that interview really good. So you could have put roasted chicken in here, or just, you know, grilled chicken breast, or even sliced lunch meat like turkey, chicken, whatever. You could put cracked black pepper on it if you want to. Oh my goodness. Yeah, okay, I'm going in. Let me try to get as much as I can on this salad. There's so much to get up on here. Oh my goodness. Okay, that looks good. Mmm. 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 I got some watermelon up on there. Mmm. A walnut, the carrots, the cheese, grapes. I might have missed a blueberry. I'm not sure. Mmm. And the dressing, all the flavors are just popping. They are popping. And I'm sorry the plate looks so messed up, but it can't stay pretty when you mix it all up. Mmm, mmm, mmm. Mmm. This is the best salad in the world. So please, you all, share this on your Facebook page, on your Instagram or whatever. Anyone that you know loves salad, share this with them. I used to be a basic salad person. I would get the lettuce, tomato, cucumber, a little bit of shredded cheese, croutons, and the Italian dressing. That was me. That was me. Oh, onion. A little bit of onion, croutons, cucumbers, and Italian dressing. That was me. That was basic. But I could not imagine not eating my salad like this anymore. Mmm. If you haven't leveled your salad game up, it's time. It is time. All right. Please make this salad. If you make it, comment down below, and also let me know how you like it. Give me your honest opinion. All right? You guys be blessed. I'll see you guys next time. Ooh, too much going on. I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye. This is a meal.